Hey guys, Sean here at KT Trades. Today I'm going to be going over Forex trading sessions. So the Forex market's open for 24 hours and can be broken up into 4 major sessions, which range from the Sydney session, Tokyo session, London session, and the New York session. And these are the trading session hours, which will vary depending on your location. And depending on the trading session active at that time, these are the best pairs to trade based on their volatility during those market sessions. The best time to trade would be during London session, New York session overlap, from 5 a.m. to 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. This is the busiest time of the day, as traders from the 2 largest financial centers, London and New York, are both in full swing. This is also the time where most news reports from US and Canada are released, causing big moves to occur. In addition, late news from Europe is generally released during this time before market close. Lastly, as the London session closes, many of the trends that were established during that session could continue as US traders analyze what happened during that session and decide to capitalize on those moves. The worst time to trade is during the Tokyo session, London session overlap, 11 p.m. to 1 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. This is the slowest time of the day, as traders of the 2 largest financial centers, New York is closed and London is barely opening up. Due to the larger markets being closed and still opening shop, there is very little liquidity during this time, making it very difficult to get in and out of trades. In addition, once Tokyo's session reached midway, many traders are already finished for the day, causing volatility to die down dramatically. The best days to trade are during the middle of the week, from Tuesday to Thursday. These are the best days since by this time, all markets have officially opened full swing for the trading week. Moreover, all markets have stabilized price for all pairs from the previous weekend. Lastly, these days are the best days to trade since this is when volatility is at its highest and when most opportunities are presented. The worst days to trade are at the very beginning of the trading week, Sunday, 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and the very end of the week, Friday, 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Early Sunday is the worst day to trade because all markets have not fully opened for the week, causing low volatility and minimal liquidity in the market. Same with Friday. It is the worst day to trade because most markets have already closed for the week, causing low volatility and liquidity in the market. In addition, during these days, most traders are liquidating their positions for the weekend, causing price to become very choppy. In the next module, we're going to be going over margin trading.